In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone owner of a Telegram channel. Before we begin, there are two important things to keep in mind. First, only the current owner of the Telegram channel can transfer ownership to someone else. Second, you must have two-step verification enabled on your Telegram account because Telegram requires that extra layer of security before allowing an ownership transfer. To get started, open the official Telegram app on your phone and go to the channel you want to manage. Once you're inside the channel, tap the channel name at the top of the screen. This will open the channel details page where you can access the settings you need. Next, tap Edit, usually shown with a pencil icon. From there, select Administrators. This is the section where you can manage who has administrative access to the channel. Now you need to add the person who will become the new owner as an admin first. Tap Add Admin, then choose the person you want to transfer ownership to. When assigning their permissions, make sure to give them full admin rights. That includes permission to post messages, edit channel info, and add other admins. Once those permissions are enabled, save the changes. This step is important because Telegram generally requires the future owner to already be a trusted admin before the ownership transfer can happen. After that, open that admin's profile again from the administrators list. You should now see the option to transfer ownership. Tap Transfer Ownership. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your two-step verification password. Enter that password carefully, then tap Transfer to finish the process. Once that's done, the selected user becomes a new owner of the Telegram channel. If you run into any issues, there are a few common reasons. If the transfer ownership option is not showing up, the most likely cause is that two-step verification is not enabled yet. You can turn it on by going to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and then two-step verification. If Telegram says the user cannot be made owner, that usually means they need to be a trusted admin first, or their Telegram account must be active. And if you see a password required error, that means Telegram is asking for your two-step verification password, not just your normal login access. That's the full process for transferring ownership of a Telegram channel on mobile. Take your time with each step, especially when confirming admin rights and entering your security password, because ownership changes are important and should be done carefully.